Hi everyone, hello, bonjour and welcome back to my studio. I have just gessoed up this big canvas. I'm going big, 1 metre by 1 metre. Yeah, I'm going to attack today, now. I'm going to start by adding some of this collage. This is the painting. This is the long roll of paper I did the painting on top of the mountains, and what I want to get in this big painting is these lovely expressive marks that I managed to get while I was out there. So I want to bring back that feeling that I had when I was out there doing this onto this. Been working on these small wooden panels, so if you're following me, but if not, it doesn't matter. I've been working on these and you can see the process of how these happened in another video. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing these, really went for it and really loose and free, but I felt a little bit, just grab the other, I felt a little bit limited in size, so that's why I decided to go big. These are two that I think are just about finished, and the other one that I was working on, that is still in process, but I'm kind of liking the craziness of that. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. Start by tearing up some of this and then see what happens. Like usual. Yeah, so a good start. Use my collage paper. All my painting is already in here now, so I feel like it's a good start. I've got the urge now to continue just with some black paint. Usually I start my paintings off with colour and wild colours, but I'm fancying for this time continuing with black, so I'll do that next. Yeah, just going for it, not thinking about anything, just enjoying putting on the paint. I'm going to spin around. And continue a little bit with this black. Really love drippies, always have drippies in my paintings, these splashes. And now I'm going to change my paintbrush, go to a smaller. Get some thin lines in there. I mean, just having a lovely time. use up all this paint. Might even get my fingers in there. Probably none of this is going to be seen in the finished painting, but it might be, you never know, so it's always worth doing. I wanted to stay free like I did when I did this painting on top of the mountains, so I'm trying to create that feeling. I mean, in the mountains I'm using sticks and things, so I haven't decided on a colour palette yet. It'd be funny if I just did black and white. Ooh, that would be so different for me. Be a challenge. Would I be able to cope with not using colour? Oops, I've got paint on my lights. So, there we go, a good start. And a lovely time had by all. No, so if you think about going big, then this is a great way to start. This just caught my eye. Ready for the bin, but I'm going to grab some paint on that and get some circles in there. Like I said, may not be seen, but may be repeated later. Okay. Well, I think that's a good start. Could just go in with some white and get some greys in there. Yeah, okay, let's get some white out. Fancy just, when I was in the mountains I did a lot of squirting straight from the tube, so let's have a go at that. There's my scrapey tool, my box of tools. Loving this scrapey. Liking these bits. I should be liking it, well, I like in bits, but you know, it's not bits that I'm going to keep, so I shouldn't be concentrating on it too much. I should just go for it, which I am doing. Have a spin. Let's have a spin. some of these whites might look nice on these, what basically is white paper, but it's not. It's kind of a cartridge paper roll, big roll. So on my big roll, it's not white, it's kind of a yellowy white. So some of this white may look nice on that. So I will just squirt, oops, I just broke the top off. Yeah, because the black's still wet, so it's staying. It's mixing with that, but it's quite, you know, it's nice. Got a big lot of black on my palette. I'll just see if I can roll that up. See what I get. Well, okay. Anyway, a good start. A good start. Why I'm happy is because I've already got a lot of me and that feeling into this painting because of this painting that I did on the mountains, so I'm really happy with that. Later on in the roll I did add some colour, so maybe when we get there you can see little bits of blue and orange. Blue and orange, why don't I just go for blue and orange in this painting? Yeah, I'm going to go for blue and orange. Yeah. Okay, decision made, I think. So maybe next time then. I'll leave it for now. I'll carry on filming, but make it for the next video because I don't want to make these videos too long. So yeah, I'll see you next time, and maybe be adding, if I get to my blue and orange I'll add some more, but I think I'll go in with the paints and see what happens then. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you next time to see how I continue with this one. Bye for now. Bye.